Imagine the world as a grand political mosaic, each piece reflecting a different political idea, institution, or practice. How does one begin to understand this multifaceted picture? The answer lies in comparative political theory. Comparative political theory is an approach that seeks to understand political phenomena by examining them across different cultures, societies, and historical contexts. It is a tool that allows us to delve into the diversity of political thought and practices and understand them in relation to one another. At the heart of comparative political theory are four key principles. Firstly, it involves cross-cultural analysis. This means comparing and contrasting political ideas, institutions, and practices across different cultures and societies. It aims to identify commonalities and differences and understand how these are shaped by cultural, historical, or geographical factors. Secondly, comparative political theory emphasizes contextual understanding. It recognizes that political ideas and practices cannot be separated from their cultural, historical, and institutional contexts. It is through understanding these contexts that we can begin to comprehend the complex interactions between local traditions, global influences, and socioeconomic dynamics. Thirdly, comparative political theory encourages critical engagement. It challenges us to question dominant political theories and paradigms and explore alternative perspectives from diverse cultural and intellectual traditions. Lastly, it fosters a dialogical approach. This means encouraging dialogue and exchange between different intellectual traditions and cultures. It aims to bridge the gap between Western and non-Western political thought, facilitating mutual learning and enrichment. So, how does one go about studying comparative political theory? There are several methods that can be used. One of these is textual analysis, where scholars closely read and interpret political texts within their historical and cultural contexts. Another method is conducting case studies. This involves a detailed examination of specific societies, historical periods, or political movements to explore certain themes or questions. Comparative political theorists also use cross-cultural comparison. This involves comparing political ideas, institutions, and practices across different cultural and geographical contexts to identify patterns, similarities, and differences. Finally, comparative political theory adopts a transnational perspective. This means looking beyond national boundaries to consider the global flows of ideas, people, and institutions, and how these shape political dynamics and influence local political processes. In summary, comparative political theory is a unique and dynamic approach to studying political phenomena. It encourages cross-cultural analysis, contextual understanding, critical engagement, and dialogue between different intellectual traditions. By adopting various methods, it allows us to understand the diversity of political thought and practices and their interrelations. It is a tool that not only enriches our understanding of politics, but also fosters cross-cultural dialogue and understanding. As we navigate an increasingly interconnected world, the relevance and importance of comparative political theory can only continue to grow.